Namaste, welcome back to my channel. I'm Swati and today I'm going to do a haul video. Trust me guys, मैंने इतना वेट अपने लाइफ में कभी नहीं किया प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने के लिए, बट दिस टाइम आई थॉट let's wait for some products and make this haul a haul. Also this is kind of collective haul because कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत जल्दी आ गए थे, सो मैं अपना वेट नहीं कर पाई, बट बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इसमें ऐसे हैं जो मैंने यूज़ नहीं किए हैं and hats off to me because I don't know मैंने ये कैसे कर लिया. So without any further ado, let's get started. A bunch of products from Nykaa, if you can see. So like it's full. और इसमें से मैंने मेकअप अभी निकाल के कहीं और रखा है, तो पहले हम स्किन केयर कर लेते हैं. So the first product is this Dot & Key Skincare Hydro Peel Glow Potion. This is 10% AHA and plus 2% BHA exfoliating serum. So this is my first time that I'm using AHA BHA exfoliating chemical peel basically. So this retails for 1095, but it was on sale, so I got it for 900 and something. And you need to look how cute this packaging is. So this is how the inner things look like, and the bottle is purple and kind of pink. So this is how the bottle looks like. It's a beautiful, and you have to keep this for 10 minutes on your face and you have to wash it, and don't forget to use a good amount of sunscreen on next day when you use this. The next thing I got this is a Wow hair mask. So you all know I'm in love with Mamaearth mask, so I wanted to try some another, so I got this Wow skincare for colored and treated hair. So I have treated hair, so yeah, and it retails for 5.99, same as the Mamaearth. And how good the packaging is, like it's open from your bottom. It's like you have to flip this, something is written here, you have to flip half of it, which I am unable to do, so I'm gonna open it later. The third thing is this plum green tea revitalizing face mist. So this is kind of a toner, so I brought this because of this chemical peel, because I wanted something which is base, because I'm using the Neutrogena one and it also contains BHA. Third thing is this plum face mask. So you all know how much I love this face mask. I can use this all over my life and I won't have any regret. So this is, and I love the smell of this. It smells so good. I missed you. So this is the Body Shop solid oil. Yeah, so this is a lip balm. It's an argan oil lip balm. It's very thin. This is how it looks like. It smells so yum. Also I got one more product. This is from N Coco Fee lip scrub. So I wanted a lip balm from this brand, but I was unable to get my hands on, so I got this Coco Fee scrub, and this is how the packaging look. It's all black and beautiful. It smells like chocolate, and also coconut. You can it has brown sugar, coconut oil, cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, beeswax, many more. So this is a really good lip scrub if you want. So the next thing is this L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Anti Shine. So I am in love with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water, but I thought let's try something else this time, so I got myself this L'Oreal one, and I haven't opened it, so let's see. Oh, I like this packaging. See, when you push this, so you don't have to remove it, you have to just do this. Wow, that's something new. for me at least. Oh, this is in pastel blue color. Oh my god, what is that? It smells like Fevicol. It has very strong fragrance. Yeah, it does. So yeah, the texture is very much similar with the Neutrogena High Boost something. Yeah, so let's see. I will use and I will let you know if I liked it or not. Thing in this skincare is this Plum E-Luminance Simple Supple Cleansing Balm. So I really wanted to use cleansing balm because people are so obsessed with cleansing balm, and I know that the Clinique one is very costly, so I wanted to try. And it says you make me melt. Hello pretty lady. This is so cute. That's why I love Plum products. And here is the tub, and it retails for $5.45, which is kind of cheap comparing to the Clinique one, and it's again sealed packed, and I will let you know if it removes. Let us try after doing the makeup haul. So you will keep the side. It's a small spoolie. So I also got some products from Sugar and Nykaa as well. So the first thing I got is this professional art pack eyelashes. I think it's a P53 something. Yeah, it's 53. It's a great eyelash. Also I bought this glue with it so that I'm a beginner in lashes, and it's a beautiful. Please ignore my nails, it looked very bad. So yeah, this glue is fantastic, guy. Even the eyelash, I am beginner in these and I'm already loving the lash game. So yeah, let's see, and I will get 2-3 more variants from pack. Thing I got is this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. So I have this. I have shown in my Ukraine haul. I got this one for my mom. This is the one which my sister bought, which is used, like very in critical halat. So this is the one which is mine, and this is sealed packed. This is for my mama. So we are gonna wait and let's see. I can see something down here. Oh my goodness. Is this a mirror? You get a mirror with this? I didn't knew that. That's great. For $3.99 you are getting this and a mirror. It's absolutely lovely. These are from Amazon. So I got this I Explore, which is I am wearing right now. It's a lovely color, nude color for me. Also I got this in I Represent. So there are two colors. This is the pink I Represent, and I Explore. So it's a bright fuchsia pink color, guys. It's a very bright pink color. You can build this on your lips, obviously, because it is a water kind of consistency, which I have already used. The brown one is so no, you can look on my lips. It's so good. So this is how it looks like. Maybelline Instant Eraser, which is also, I think, packed. Yeah, it's packed. Okay, I twisted it. So I'm not gonna show you. You know how much I love this. This is my third concealer, and I never knew that I'm gonna fall in love with this product. I thought concealers are not a must, but अब पढ़ाई करके ना दिन रात, अब तो डार्क सर्कल सभी को दिख जाते हैं, जो कि बहुत ख़राब लगता है. तो that's why you need a concealer, guys. Go and get this. The next thing I got is this pack. It's an eyeliner, which is a beautiful liner, and its shade is navy blue. So this is how it looks like. It's smooth, not very smooth, but yeah, this is how it looks like. It's beautiful blue color. Also got 3 products from Sugar, as you can see. This I Want You So double matte eyeliner. So I got this, and I'm trying as much as Indian brands because I want to explore more range of Sugar. So that's why. So I got this. I already have this, but that's in my hostel, so I have to get one for my home as well. As it's a beautiful matte liner which stays all day long. Mind it guys, it stays all day long. So when it dries, it looks matte, and it's a jet black liner, liquid liner. The next thing I got is this Magic Wand waterproof concealer. I got a wrong shade, which is 45 on Pana. It's like very orangish. I thought it won't be, but it is very orange, which is I'm not. I'm a yellow undertone. So you can see how orange it looks on my hand, and it looks very bad on my face. It's orange everywhere. So the third thing is this Sugar Matte Hazel Crayon Lipstick in 16 Clear Wood. So it's a beautiful brown tone color. My mom used it because she loved the color. It's a beautiful brown color. And let's carry on with more makeup. Now there are left 3 eyeshadows which I got from Amazon. So the first is this Swiss Beauty Art Mousse eyeshadow. This is how it looks like. I have used this because I told you some products came very early, so I wanted to, and I have this in one more variant, which is again in my hostel. So beautiful palette guys. You want to swatch? I'm gonna show you how creamy this palette is. Which shade you want? Let's do this purple, which is like you have to just slowly rub and you're gonna see the magic. How it looks like. This may be not that pigmented, but let me show this one. This is a beautiful, such beautiful gorgeous pigments, and these are very easy to blend. Go get this, and you won't believe this is just for 250 rupees. Like how इतना सस्ता और इतनी अच्छी क्वालिटी आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. You should try this palette once in your life. From Amazon, this is Hilary Rhoda. It's a beautiful eyeshadow. It has 12, and you get it again for very cheap, again 250 or 300 something, and you get so many shades guys, so many shades. The 3 matte colors you see, this and this, are beautiful and to die for. Let me swatch you. I have just cleaned my hands so you can see. So this is like a matte color obviously. So where do I swatch? So this is how, look at that, how pigmented is this. Focus camera. Let me show you this brown. It's highly pigmented guys. Matte colors aren't pigmented these days. See how pigmented is this. There is one green which is so beautiful. I don't know where to swatch now, so I'm gonna pick some of shades on my hand. I'm gonna do this. Can you see that? Obviously the purple one didn't. These are the pigmentation guys. How beautiful is that? Now comes the last eyeshadow palette and my favorite. It's a Rakhi gift for me. So ta-da! This is the beautiful palette I have ever got. So on back you have all the shades written there, and I just love this, guys. I never thought that I'm gonna get this big palette ever, because I always thought that it's very bulgy, you don't need a palette, but it's a must have, because when you get started and when you know like a little bit about eyeshadows, you need a bigger palette. And this is how the palette looks. It's beautiful, and these all colors are very beautiful. So you get a white this side, and there's a black at this corner. Also you have yellow, orange, whatever color you want. These are all neutral colors that you need every day in your lives. Let me swatch one or two for you. Maybe this orange. I have nothing left now. Okay, these are highly pigmented, and this retails for I think 2000 and something. I got from Amazon for very cheap, like 1500. 1500 is not cheap. So this is Suck the Yuck Out of Your Pores. This is Derma Section Pore Cleansing. This is how it looks like. So I got this from Amazon, and this is a pure gold. Like, it worth how much it cost. I think it was for 400 rupees, around 300 and 400. And it removes the dirt, oil, grease from your nose, which was very gross when I used it on myself and on my mom. So it was very gross, but it does its jobs. And what else you need? Go get this, guys, if you are looking for this. It doesn't remove blackheads, just for knowledge, but it removes whiteheads and all the oil, dirt from your upper surface of your nose, also from your pores. Yeah, so go get this. Now I'm left with quite of jewelry. So this is what I got from Amazon, which is like a dupe for the Shein thing. So I got this in Jewels Galaxy box, which is this, and it's a very pretty earring. You need it if you want to go. It's not that heavy, but you can manage. And the second thing I got is this from You Bella, because you are beautiful. This is how the earring look like. It's beautiful. I have same in golden. I got from my sister. These are like beautiful, and these are heavy, guys. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this, but you need one pair of this. They also had some colors in this, green maybe and black, but I wanted this blue because I'm fond of blue. My favorite color is blue. I'm gonna show you the star product at last. Next is this Jhaveri Pearls box, which I got from Ajio.com. So I got these. They have a very bad habit of coming out. So this is how it looks like. They are earring. It was for 299 rupees. You get 3 of these hoop earrings, and also 3 tops. And the next thing I got is this beautiful, again, golden hoops. I also wanted to order silver, but unfortunately I didn't get my hands on that. And one more thing which I got from Ajio is, this needs like a very good clap or something, because this box is mine, guys. I got this from my mom. Let me show you how beautiful this jewelry is. Beautiful Maharani haar. Let me take this up. So this is how the haar look like. It's a beautiful haar which you can wear on any function. It also comes with this mang tika. Like, it makes you feel goddess. The quality is very good. Also you get 2 earrings, which is again beautiful. And do you want to know how much I got for this? 500 rupees. I would like to show you some more earrings which I got from my friend. So these are beautiful earrings. If you want, I will leave her account below down so you can see. and it's all stipple. So this is golden jhumkis which are very beautiful, which also has mirror. Also I got this black earrings and same in silver. I need to open this all and show you. So here is how the blue one. I don't have any blue jhumkis, so I got this one for myself. More thing, which is this beautiful trio piece. It's like you get 2 earrings, and this is the mangtika, which looks absolutely stunning. Let me show you if I can how the mangtika looks like. It's beautiful if you pair with something, you know, traditional. The same thing I got in golden trio piece, which has 2 earrings and 1 mangtika. I'm gonna buy. She has limited stock left, so I'm gonna mention her Instagram account link down in the box. You can see that. And now let's remove this with our this balm, which I haven't opened it yet. So it smells nice. I'm gonna need a little of this. Ooh, look at that. I waited so long to use this, so I'm gonna just take a generous amount, and I am gonna, it feels like same what do you say, coconut oil. Oh, I'm gonna need that cotton now. So this is how my hand looks like. Obviously I need to rub it for more long, but I haven't. And everything is gone, just this pink lipstick. I don't know why it doesn't. And I noticed that I applied this pink lipstick 2 days before, and I had a stain on my lips for 1 day, which I didn't understand why a lip stain was there of pink but not of brown. So there might be some formulation or something. So it's a good cleanser, guys. You know, it removes everything. Just this pink lipstick is very bad, that's why it's not coming, but it removes every pore of makeup. Obviously you need a lot, but I didn't take a lot of this because it did his job quite well, I think. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much I did, and give it a thumbs up just right now, because ये इतना इंतज़ार तो मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था, पर तो भी मैंने आप लोगों के लिए किया। तो अभी तुरंत के तुरंत एक थम्स अप दो मेरे वीडियो को, लाइक करो वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे वीडियो को. Also thank you so much for watching my all videos. I can't thank enough everyone. You know, life is very small. You should enjoy it. Your family members or your loved ones should be with them. So I think I love you all, and thanks for watching my video, because I know I do this for my passion, because makeup is my passion. I love makeup, and I love to suggest people what suit their skin, their hair, their skin tone, everything. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and ऐसे ही करते रहिएगा, and हम बाद में मिलेंगे. Bye.